A. Touch the bubble with the letter A. Well done! Congratulations! Wonderful! Congratulations! Very good! You're doing very well! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter B. Congratulations! Congratulations! Find the letter C. Keep it up. Keep it up. Fantastic! Good job! Wonderful! Congratulations! Let's put together the letter D. Woohoo! Wonderful! Good job! Have fun with this bonus game! Find where the letter is hiding. Congratulations! Touch the bubble with the letter E. Excellent! Incredible! Excellent! Keep it up! Incredible! Keep it up! Congratulations! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter F. Good job! Congratulations! Find the letter G. Good job! Wonderful! Keep it up! Wow! Incredible! Congratulations! Let's put together the letter H. Good job! Excellent! You're doing very well! Have fun with this bonus game! Find the two identical letters. Congratulations! Touch the bubble with the letter I. Wow! Well done! Congratulations! Keep it up! Woohoo! Woohoo! Very good! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter J. Congratulations! Congratulations! Find the letter K. Incredible! Good job! Fantastic! Wow! You're doing very well! Congratulations! Let's put together the letter L. Very good! Very good! Excellent! Have fun with this bonus game! Find the two identical letters. Congratulations! Touch the bubble with the letter M. Woohoo! Well done! You're doing very well. Congratulations! Fantastic! Keep it up! Keep it up! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter N. Well done! Congratulations! Find the letter O. Woohoo! Wow! Keep it up! Wonderful! Incredible! Congratulations! Let's put together the letter P. Fantastic! Excellent! Woohoo! Have fun with this bonus game! Find where the letter is hiding. Congratulations! Touch the bubble with the letter Q. You're doing fantastic! Incredible! Well done! Good job! Well, very good! Wow! Wow! Well done! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter R. Excellent! Congratulations! Find the letter S. You're doing very well. Very good. Good job. Congratulations. You're doing very well. Congratulations. Let's put together the letter T. Keep it up. Keep it up. Incredible. Excellent. Have fun with this bonus game. Find where the letter is hiding. Congratulations! Touch the bubble with the letter U. Keep it up. Fantastic! Well done! Keep it up. Wonderful! Keep it up. Very good! Wow! Very good! Congratulations! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter V. Well done! Congratulations! Find the letter W. You're doing very well. Wonderful! Well done! You're doing very well. Good job! Congratulations! Let's put together the letter X. Wonderful! Fantastic! Fantastic! Wow! Have fun with this bonus game. Find the two identical letters. Congratulations! Touch the bubble with the letter Y. Congratulations! Wow! Woohoo! Wonderful! Incredible! Incredible! Woohoo! Excellent! Wonderful! Incredible! Congratulations! We're going to make the letter Z. Excellent! Congratulations!